Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to change your language in Rednote. So first open your Rednote app, and after that click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, the page. Now you need to click on the settings icon next to your profile right there, and you will be navigated to settings. So here you will see general settings. After that, at the top, you will see languages. Here at the bottom, the last option is English. In most cases, the app already has its English language. So by any chance, if it doesn't have English, then go to settings, click on the gear settings. After that, click on the second option. Here, now you need to click on first option and the third option. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in next video.